Okay, here we have the 2009 C300. It came from Texas. I'm gonna show you all around it so you can see the accident area. The rear and the sides are intact. The damage was on the front right, and here's the fender liner from the right front side. They removed them to assess the damage, but they didn't get hit. The fender here is damaged, the hood and the grille, and parts of the bumper, the right side. This is really where the hit was. I'm going to show you the other side. No fender damage here, and of course the hood and the headlight here were not damaged, or the bumper. You see the blinker light is still intact, so that side is unaffected. I'm going to show you under the hood. Again, here nothing was affected. No engine components need to be replaced. And start getting in some of the parts. Those are just the bumper grille. That's the blinker light on the right side, right there, obviously. And this is the right grille. Yeah, a couple parts before we send the car to the shop, so it doesn't stay too long there. Should be an easy, quick fix.